Not only do we carry phones for several providers such as T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon Mobile, and Pageplus, but we also have Boost Mobile as well. The all-new $50 unlimited T-Mobile plan it offers unlimited talk, text, and web, and 4G web. We also have new and used phones in our showcases, and they range from prices from $50 and up. We also offer several different Boost new and used phones that are all comparable to the $50 plan that Boost offers with shrinkage. We offer accessories, chargers, cases, data cables, headphones, Bluetooth, cell phones, and computers repair. We do flashing, unlocking. We also offer copies, fax, MOREE. We buy, sell, and trade computers and cell phones. And we also offer internet services.
Hey, my name is Sean Khan.
My name is Nessa.
We're the IT guys over here. We take care of your computer needs, take care of your phone repairs, everything we take care of. If you have anything, you can give us a call at 1-800-403-2466.
Hello, my name is Chevron Khan. I'm the IT guy at Texas Cellular. I take care of all your cell phone needs, all your computer repairs personally, and I give you 90 days warranty on all of my work.
Come visit Texas Cellular, where you're always treated special. You can find the best prices on phones and laptops.